we connected the rotary encoder with the motor. Today I'm gonna hook it all up and write some code for it. The first thing I do is test to see if the rotary encoder is working correctly, and that all seems fine. I'm also gonna use an Arduino Duo to control everything, so I have to make sure that the rotary encoder is working with 3.3 volts. Now I was ready to wire everything together. So here you can see the test setup. I got the rotary encoder connected to the motor, got my Arduino Duo, my stepper motor driver, my power supply and my computer. I use a lead giant microstep driver, but for a smaller motor you can also use an easy driver or something like that. And now with the setup done, I was finally ready to write some code. I'm not going to go completely through the code, but I'm gonna try to explain the basic things that I did. The first thing I made was a class so I could control the speed of the stepper motor. The control of the position is now done by the encoder, so I don't count the steps anymore. I check for my error between the current position and the target position. And that error multiplied by a factor is actually my target speed. Then I make sure if the speed change between the current speed and the target speed isn't bigger than the maximum acceleration. And then I assign the speed to the stepper motor. I'm not sure if this is the correct way to do this, but it seems to work for me. I also made a small computer program so I could control the Arduino. This way I can change the rotation with my computer and also fine-tune the parameters of the controller. Now that everything is done, it's time to test it out. Here you see me adjusting the parameters to get a nice result. I don't want it too slow, but I also don't want too much overshoot. It takes a while to find the correct settings. But when it's done, you have a stepper motor who can update very fast and very precise. You can find the code I used on GitHub. I'll put in a link below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. The reason why I made this closed loop stepper motor will become clear in the next video. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.